Hey, my name's John Erickson. I'm represented by MKM, and I'm auditioning for the role of Mark. And I just so happen to have my own very cool and very awesome Russell hair. Yeah. Hey, Cass? Oh, sorry, didn't mean to scare you. Help yourself. I forgot my swimsuit is all.
Can't go without that.
Well, I can. It'd just be weird.
So where are you guys off to?
I'm not sure, actually. Rachel says it's a surprise for my birthday, even though I hate surprises.
Ironic.
Yeah. But anyway, I should get going. I don't want to keep her waiting.
Yep, don't want to keep her waiting.
Oh, one more thing. Don't worry about setting the alarm. It's a little buggy and acts up. Can end up scaring you more than making you feel safe. I just haven't had a chance to get someone up here to take a look with all that's been going on.
Copy that, no alarm. Hope the dog is tougher than he looks.
He's not.
Shit!
Cassie, what's going on?
The house, it happened again. Just everywhere.
Whoa. Oh, take a deep breath. It's okay. Something must have tripped the system.
Wait, why are you back?
Weather out there was miserable. We came home early. Here, let's get you back inside and turn off that racket.